The wonders and benefits of avocado. Avocado leaves are used as a restorative for joint inflammation and lumps. Avocado leaves are prepared as a tea as well as take it as tonic every day. Referred to as remarkable since its curative result cannot be highlighted by some physicians. In Latin America, leaves are both useful in medicinal as well as cooking applications. Its leaves have essential oil residential properties that represent its cooking uses. The leaf is obtained for respiratory system infections, which include coughing and also can stabilize the menstrual cycle. Fruit and also leaf considerably encourage an anti-tumor flavonoid known as flavin-3-4-diol. These flavonoids appear to reduce tumors partially. Closer to berry in agricultural expressions, avocado is taken into consideration fruit. Avocado is primarily used as a veggie and also has enough fat to be a meat substitute in some recipes as well as sandwiches. It's a tropical fruit similar to banana which has a nutty savor that is evocative of an olive. It is aboriginal to exotic and subtropical areas of Central and also South America. Most of the regional classes of avocado are cultivated in California. Avocado skin may differ from light eco-friendly to dark purple comparable to eggplant. It commonly picked from its tree in an immature phase. It should be saved and kept in the open air. Avocado is basically offered raw, specifically in Mexican cuisines like guacamole. Guacamole stemmed from the Indian words for avocado sauce. Despite the fact that has excessive fat web content, mostly it is of health monounsaturated assortment. Considerably have remarkable potassium compared to banana and also its oil is known for skincare aspects which is excellent in vitamin A, B1, B2, D, and E. Scientific health advantages of avocado. Different people never considered avocado to be valuable fruit for wellness. Avocado is loaded with lots of nourishment, equally tenders numerous vitamins and minerals as well as it aids the body to occupy additional nutrients from various other foods. Avocado consists of vitamins A, C, as well as B vitamins that maintain the exact performance of natural chemicals, which makes it an exceptional food for the nerve system. Calcium and magnesium content of avocado can soothe and help corrective rest, which is crucial for the nerve system to carry out successfully at maximum. Health and wellness benefits correlated to the nerve system, avocado as well as support in various methods. Potassium, folic acid, and monosaturated fat content lower poor cholesterol rates as well as thereby minimize the risk of cardiovascular disease. It as well consists of a respectful amount of vitamin E as well as glutathione which aids in preventing some types of heart infections and decreases aging activity. 7 different fats in avocado which include omega-3 and 6. Both supplies needed body power while minimizing negative cholesterol levels. It soaks up even more of the carnitine discovered in red meat, which helps the proper usage of fats as well as keeps a moderate level of triglycerides. Lutein is important for the eyes and also avocado is an idyllic choice of safeguarding the eye away from the development of cataracts as well as macular degeneration. Lutein web content of avocado can reduce the opportunities of acquiring different vision troubles as the individual matures older. Normal absorption of the fruit lessens the opportunities of getting prostate cancer cells in males and breast cancer cells in ladies. Existing proof that avocado does assist in lowering the possibility of dental cancer cells. Considered clever fruit that decreases and also the threat of cancer but not as a cure. The remedy for a prolonged and healthy and balanced life which is full of energy as well as task, as well as is straightly associated with a diet that consists of thousands of unique micronutrients lately preferred to science. Benefits. Rises power makes diet programs much more efficient assists stop sickness and diseases boosts individual appearance decreases stress and anxiety and level moods. Please subscribe by clicking the button on the lower right and also hit the like button and share.